Lolita views. 7 budget course for high-paying job. 1. Data Science. Python for Data Science and Machine Learning Bootcamp. This course on Udemy teaches Python for data science, machine learning, and data visualization, which are highly sought-after skills in industries such as finance, healthcare, and technology. 2. Digital Marketing. The complete digital marketing course. This course on Udemy covers a broad range of digital marketing topics, including SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and more, which are in high demand by companies looking to improve their online presence. 3. Project Management. Project Management Professional (PMP) certification training. This course on Simplilearn prepares you for the PMP certification, which is highly valued by employers across industries. 4. Web Development. The Web Developer Bootcamp. This course on Udemy teaches you how to build web applications using popular technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which are essential skills for web development roles. 5. Cybersecurity. Certified Ethical Hacker (CHE). This course on Simplilearn prepares you for the CHE certification, which is highly valued by companies looking to protect their networks and data from cyber threats. 6. Accounting. Financial Accounting Fundamentals. This course on Udemy covers the basics of financial accounting, which is a highly valued skill in industries such as finance, consulting, and technology. 7. Sales. Sales Training. Practical Sales Techniques. This course on Udemy covers the essential skills needed for sales roles, including prospecting, lead generation, and closing deals, which are highly valued by companies across industries. Follow us. For more, share and subscribe our channel.